want to show y'all this bomb ass ponytail that every natural girl needs, period, sis. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is Sensational Instant Pony Wrap. Okay, this is super cute. I got this ponytail from Wig Types. I will leave all the information in the description box down below. But yes, sis, this is a 30-inch kinky straight ponytail. It only cost me less than $10. Okay, so y'all gotta get on this. Okay, but let's go ahead and get started. So to prep my hair, I just put my hair in a bun, laid my hair down. If you guys are interested in seeing how I lay my hair down, I will leave that video in the description box down below. I'll go into detail, and sis, I'll make sure that your hair is flat, okay, period. So I went ahead and twisted the remainder of my hair in a 3-strand twist. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a little bun right here at the top. So there we go, my hair is prepped, it is ready to go. I have my edges laid down and all that. It's gonna be a super quick video, but y'all gonna fall in love when you see the final results. Okay, so this is the ponytail wrap. Okay, you have 2 combs, 1, 2, it has a Velcro strap right here. And this is the other side, and then it has this section that's left out right here that you're gonna wrap around the base of your ponytail. So let's go ahead and get started. Yo, literally, I've been rocking this hair already. It's already out the pack, as you guys can see. Whoa. It's already out the pack, as you guys can see, and it is just like bomb. It's killing it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip the ponytail on the side. All you gotta do is wrap this bad boy around. Put the clip back in right here. So you have your piece right here, boom. All you have to do is wrap it around, and it's going to stick to the Velcro. And then you have your extra piece, and all you gotta do is wrap this around. And bobby pin it up. I totally left my bobby pins, so I gotta get my bobby pins. But you can already see like the difference. So I have some bobby pins here, and I'm gonna go ahead and bobby pin this in just so it doesn't unwrap. But yo, yes, you guys, just go on Wig Types. This right here, this ponytail was freaking, I think it was like $9.94, and it's like you can't beat this. This is a perfect protective style for us natural girls. And it's super affordable, and it's freaking cute. Even if you're not natural, this will work for you as well. Bada boom, bada bang, like. And there you have it. This hairdo is super freaking cute. I've worn this hair already 3 times, and I cannot get enough of it. This is literally like my favorite go-to look. Like, I never knew how cute I would look with just like a little ponytail. And I see why Ariana Grande wears her hair like this, because it's super cute. Like, yes. I am loving this. It's thick. It matches my hair texture, so it looks really good. And that's one thing I love about the Kinky Straight. I also got a few other wigs from Wig Types, and I will show you guys what those wigs look like. Yes, it's super long. Hey. But that is it. If you guys like this ponytail, make sure you guys check this out in the description box down below. But I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is out.